What's up YouTube, I am Trainer Jason XXXXX and now we're about to have a very strong and difficult battle with our friend Iris here, which is the ultimate super duper champion of Nova region, but I guess we can do it, I guess we can defeat her, I guess we can become champions ourselves. So Dragon vs Haxorus to check out whose dragon is better. Dragon Claw, Dragon is down, yes it is, yes it is. Next one is Lapras. It has Blizzard. I risk it. Fuck. Let's risk it. Miss. Sing. Why the fuck did you use? You used Sing. Why would you ever use Sing? Why not Ice Beam to KO anyway? And a critical hit. Unbelievable. Impossible. Anyway, let's send out Crocodile. I will avoid Thunderbolt. Please get the flinch, get the flinch, get the flinch, get the flinch, get the flinch. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Earthquake and Lapras is down. Yes it is. Our friend Lapras is down. Next one is Druddigon. My Haxorus is sleeping. Let's risk another flinch. I go for the Rock Slide, which doesn't get the flinch, it doesn't do KO, and Focus Blast doesn't KO Crocodile either, so Earthquake KOs this Druddigon. Well done Crocodile, well done Crocodile. Next one is Haxorus. Fuck. Haxorus, I'm +2, but Haxorus has this stupid Focus Sash, so I cannot do what? I cannot KO Haxorus. Goes for the Dragon Dance. Dragon Dance again. Return. KO. Yes, KOs. Haxorus for some reason didn't attack. And it is down. Next one is Archeops. Archeops, my friend. Archeops goes for the Rock Slide, of course. Yeah, whatever you say. Iron Head. Come on, KO. Yes, it does. Archeops is down. And Aggron. I send out Braviary again. It will go for the Earthquake, I guess. Yes, I love you too. Super duper power. It's a double super effective versus Aggron. Aggron goes down and we did it, my friends. We defeated Iris. We defeated Iris with no losing Pokemon. We defeated Iris with not using items. We defeated Iris with the battle mode set. So we are the champions of Unova region. For the first time we're also going to have a more difficult battle with Iris on the future. The rematch versus the Elite Four and versus Iris, which is of course about to happen after the after game, which of course we will do the after game starting from now. So Dara da dan dan da daran dan dan Haxorus, Daran dan dan Braviary, Samurott, Daran dan 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 Darmanitan, Daran dan 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 Aggron and Crocodile. This is it. We are the champions of Unova region.